Alright folks, something a little bit different today. Now, we bought this camper trailer here less than a year ago and we've never used it once, and so my wife's given me the instructions. We've got to sell it. The house needs painting, and so the funds from this has to go towards painting the house. So this Mars Extremo camper is up for sale. Now it literally hasn't moved. We bought it from the Mars head office in Guildford in Sydney, and I literally towed it here, put it in the corner. I've opened it once to season the canvas, put it away, and then back into the corner again, and it hasn't moved since. So it's up for sale. So what I'm going to do with this video today, I'm going to take you around the camper, show you all the little compartments, and we'll open it up, have a look at the canvas and the opening procedure, and it's for sale. So if you're interested, be sure to let us know. Shoot us a message either through YouTube or through Throttle Down Under at Facebook, roberttthrottledownunder.com. If you're interested, let me know. Anyway, let's have a look at the Mars camper. Alright, now let's have a wander around the camper trailer, and we'll start at the front and work our way all the way around. So here's the hitch. You can see, I'll zoom in nice and close. Everything's brand new, a little bit of surface rust there coming through. Anderson plugs under here. Handbrake. There's the VIN number. Wheel dolly. Mud flaps on the front of the trailer as well as the back to prevent rock throws. A nice little rock guard as well to protect the front of the camper. Spare wheel in there, the same sort of wheel that's actually on the side of the camper. An electric winch that's also remote control, so you can do a bit of a hands-free operation too. I'll show you how to use that later. We've got compartments there for 2 9-kilo gas bottles and jerry cans as well. Then as we come down the side of the trailer, we've got the fridge compartment. We didn't end up buying a fridge, but this is the compartment for it. So as you can see, there's still all the brand new parts in here. The fire extinguisher, all the tools that you need to operate the trailer itself, and the drawer slides out for an outdoor camping fridge to go on top. Really cool. Alright, moving on. Next compartment. So this is the outdoor kitchen. Now I don't have room to pull it all the way out because there's a wall right there, but let's have a look. As we pull the kitchen out, as far as it goes, underneath there are stands for them to sit on for stability. The cooktop goes in there. The cooktop's still in a box in the garage, which I will pull out and show you as well. And a full plumbed sink. Now this is plumbed to a fresh water tank built into the trailer as well. So you can have running water, fresh running water in this trailer at all times, which is also very cool. Lock it away. Right, coming along, we've got power outlets, like the cigarette lighters in your car. 2 power outlets there. They run off a battery that's inside the trailer. And coming down, really nice off-road XD series wheels, good off-road tyres, and here is the cap, filler cap, for the fresh water tank that's on board. Very convenient. Coming around the back, gas strut for the lift. Underneath here is the stabilising legs, which will drop down shortly as we raise the thing up. Around the back, another hatch where you can access underneath the bed without having to open up the whole lid. Really convenient if you're storing some stuff in the back there. On top of the camper is the the racks that keep the actual hard floor off the ground, but also you can put bike racks up here. You can put a little platform there to carry extra stuff, which is really convenient too. Down the other side, of course, same set of wheels. And on this side we have, let's go here first. So this is just pure storage. This is on the opposite side to where the fridge is, but there's plenty of space in there. You could fit a couple of good size eskies in there, or your bed linen maybe. And finishing off in this little hatch on the right hand side of the trailer is the power unit. So this is where you turn the batteries on and off, and you also can access the power to your mains power, fridge, pump, plugs, light. So we'll turn that on and we'll plug this in. This will give us control of the electric winch. But the very cool thing about this trailer is this little controller here is actually a remote control. So you don't have to stand here with the power lead. You can actually run along next to it using the remote control and opening it up that way. So as you can see, we've got 73% battery power, so that's heaps. It'll be charged up again when I'm finished doing this. And this little controller here is actually for the LED lighting inside the tent. So once the tent's up, you can actually turn the LED lighting on and off with remote control when you're in bed, and saves you getting out into the cold to turn your lights off. Anyway, let's get on to opening up the top of this baby. Alright, so I haven't put it up completely, but I just wanted to be able to show you that all of the canvas is perfectly brand new all the way around. Obviously if you want to have a closer look, just pause any of these spots on the video and you'll see how good quality all the canvas is right over this whole trailer. Now obviously down here that just needs to be folded down if you are camping out so it doesn't gather water. Same all the way around, this folds all the way over the edge here quite easily. That does it around the whole side. Now this is a big window here. You can see the zips are still perfectly intact. Across the top, down. This here is also a big door, a full-size door at the back. Another full-size window across the front. All the Velcro, everything's in brand new condition. Of course it's never been used. Another window right here. And let's have a look inside, see if the camera can handle the light difference. So you can see that black panel there, that opens to a door. There's also a screen on it as well, as does this back panel and the entry where we just walked through. Nice checker plate floor on the bottom level, and then up into a queen-sized bed. And windows either side of the queen size bed. And here are the beams that push it up. Now as you can see, I haven't put it up properly just for this video because I don't have much time, but all you got to do is put all these beams out to their full extension, add the cross members, and she is good to go. Oh, also another cool thing. The queen bed lifts up and there's storage access underneath it, which is really convenient. And also right up the back there is the battery panel in the black box. So you access your battery from underneath the bed if you need to change it, or if you want to add a second battery to be able to stay out camping for longer. Now, all of the accessories are with it too. There is a bag here full of accessories, has not been opened ever. Let's have a look. There you go, you've got tent ropes for the annex and everything that you need in there, tent pegs. And we have the tropical cover there, all of the tent poles for the annex, and inside we've got the annex itself, the annex walls and floor, so you're not even on the dirt when you're out in the annex. And this is the unused compact LPG stove, the stove that goes on the slide that came out earlier. Just plug straight into LPG gas bottles. Anyway guys, that's the Mars Extremo camper. Actually, let me just check one thing. Going back to the panel here. Alright, so let's grab the light controller and we'll check that the LED light inside the trailer works. Well, in fact it's already on. Here we go, LED light on, off. Very cool. Right, so that's the Mars Extremo camper, guys. We've got it up for sale at the moment. I'll put more details in the description below. Hey, if you're interested, contact me. It's a great trailer. We literally haven't used it. It hasn't been used once. So it's a great pickup for anyone who was thinking about a brand new one but wants to save a couple of grand.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.